Okay, so in this video I just want to show you how I gather information for the site. So first you can go to Google Maps, of course, and I'm just gonna zoom in into our site. So it's here. You can turn off the aerial view. As you can see here, there's a little icon that allows you to go into isometric view, and if you click here you can turn on around it, and if you maintain shift and the left mouse button you can orbit around the site, and you can scroll in to zoom in. Yep. And you can also use street view. So you use this little guy, you drop in on the road and click and drag. So now you can see here, and you can take screenshots so you can get some information about the streetscape. Just click it to move along. Okay, so that's what you can do with Google Map. Now if you go to the Oakland Gis, you can just type in the address. So it's Caracas Street. So it's gonna zoom into where we are, and then you can press this button so we clear. You can turn on the aerial view, and if you use the little hand there you can drag along and middle mouse to zoom in. So this map gives us more information about the boundaries of each parcel, and you can also view the contour lines. So usually I will take a screenshot of the contours and bring in another software and trace the line to create my mesh. You can also show the underground services. So this gives you information on the location of the sewer line, stormwater line and water line. And if there's a particular information you want, you can just tick off the things that you don't want to see. Turn off the contour. And so those are the layers here. There's many more things and you can go ahead and have a look. What you can also do is measure stuff from here. So you go into the tools, draw and measure. If you want to know a distance, you can use the line tool here. Click on one point. Oops. Wait, I think that's this one. Click on one point. Come on. Oh, this one, line tool. One point. Go at the end, double click, and now you get the dimension, 118 meters. You can either press delete, and if you want to remove that, you can just press delete graphics. You can also get some areas using the polygon tool. Just click all around, and when you finish you double click. This gives you the area. Okay, next what you can do is to export data from the GIS. So usually it's export it as a DWG, so you can import it in SketchUp or Revit. So you go here, data extract, press accept, and you're first gonna draw what you want to extract. So usually I'll zoom out a little bit first. Oops, press escape, zoom out. And usually I will go and take a bit of context around the site. Sometimes it might require to do some more clicks, because for some reason the app doesn't take excuse me. Okay, so now when you double click, it's gonna give you yellow color, so it means it's ready to be exported. And what we want is the curb, so it just gives you the outline of the roads and sidewalks. Building footprint, so it's the shape of the buildings. And cirrus parcel is the boundary lines, and we want that in AutoCAD. And then we press that. Just wait a few seconds. Then press yes and save it wherever you want. I'm gonna save top of that. Yes. Okay. So now you can go to this file, extract all the information. So you get building footprint, cirrus parcel, and the curve. Now you can open, let's say, SketchUp. Delete the little guy. And now you can file, import. And let's go to desktop. GIS data and curve, close. So we get the lines so for the roads, and if you measure, you can see it's to scale, 9 meters. And now we're gonna import the cirrus parcel. Usually when they come in, they would not be in line, so you just have to manually move them into place. So yeah, it's kind of like this. And we're gonna do the same thing for the building footprint. Okay, take that. And voila. So now you get the building footprint. You can turn that on if you want. And from there you can do some measurement. So it's about 5 meters here. And if we check this dimension, 118, so that's what we had on the GIS as well. Okay, and one last thing I wanted to show you. If you want to measure the height of the building, you can download Google Earth Pro. So you just go here and download and install. Then you're gonna get something like this. You just type in the address to go where we were. It's just like Google Map. And then here you can go here, there's a little tool, it's called 3D Path. This allows you to measure roughly the heights. So you click on top of the building and at the bottom, so you get 7 meters, and then you clear that. Let's say you want to have this one. Oops. So make sure you click on top of the shape, and at the bottom 13 meter. So it might not be accurate, but it can roughly give you an idea of the height of the building. Okay, that's it. Hope it helps.